There are a number of applications that you can use with iMovie that will really increase the look of your video. And to boost your text, then there's an application called Comic Life. So let's have a look at how it works. Now, Comic Life will create really cool letters, characters, or text. So let's just have a quick look now at how to create these in Comic Life. Best way would be to go to the template chooser, and then you have a number of templates that you can start with, or you can start with a blank one. But let's use this one here, double clicking that, and we don't want these extra items here, so I'll just delete those. But we will use the text, so you can use the standard text that they've got here, or you can import your own. I've used the Comic Life characters to create our numbering system in this video. So we'll use this one here. If I double click it, I can type in my text, so number 8. We may not particularly like that format, so we can select a different style, and once we've got that style, then we can manipulate the text as we would like. You can add different coloring systems. You can add different styles. You can also change your font. Quite like that one. So let's just manipulate that to suit. I'm not happy with the coloring, so let's go to some yellowish coloring. That's good. I like that. You can, if you want to, create your own comics or comic images. So you could go to your pictures library and bring in images here. Stylize those as you wish. You can bring text in as cartoon bubbles. So if you click on the blue, that will take the bubble there. If you click on the red, that will change the shape of the image here. There's a lot to be done. It's a way of creating those really dramatic title effects that are yours and yours alone. So to export that now, click on the export, and we'll take the DPI level up a little bit. We'll select images and select a TIFF or a PNG image, because if you do happen to do some alpha, and there is a way in Comic Life to be able to create an alpha or a transparent image. So we'll select TIFF there and save that. Once that's saved, we can then go to iMovie, import the image from Comic Life. Once it's in iMovie, we can drag it to our project. Now when it comes into the project, it will have a Ken Burns automatically applied to it. So you need to go to the cropping tool, and from there in the style, fit. Once it's fitted in, then you can move it to wherever you want to. Let's put it at the beginning of the project, and then as it plays through, it will fade into the beginning of the video. So that's how to create a dramatic text image in Comic Life and then import it into iMovie to use in your projects. Comic Life is available from the App Store, or if you download it directly from their website, there's a 30-day free trial.